Hello students, in this video I'm going to show you how to access StatCrunch. You are going to use StatCrunch starting in Chapter 2, and you're going to use it throughout the rest of the course to perform these statistical calculations that you're going to do in this class. So once you've opened up MyLab Mastering, in the MyLab Statistics menu, you'll see a link called StatCrunch, and go ahead and click on that link. And after you click on the StatCrunch link, on the right hand side of the window you'll see a couple of links. One link is to view data sets from the textbook, and the other one is to visit the StatCrunch website. So go directly to the StatCrunch program. You're going to click on visit the StatCrunch website. So click on the second link. And once again, make sure you disable your pop-up blockers and enable your cookies. So then the StatCrunch website is loading in a separate tab in your internet browser. Okay, so if you've logged into MyLab Mastering, you should already be logged into StatCrunch. Okay, but if necessary, go ahead and sign in. Okay, so once this window opens, go ahead and click on Open StatCrunch. And then another tab in the StatCrunch program will open. Give it a few seconds as it loads up. And after it's finished loading, you'll see an empty spreadsheet. The spreadsheet consists of rows and columns. So the rows are labeled with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. And the rows go across. And then the columns are labeled with var 1, var 2, var 3, and so on and so forth. Where VAR stands for variable. And each cell in the spreadsheet corresponds to a row and a column. To access the different features in StatCrunch, for example, if you want to graph something, you're going to go to Graph. And then depending on the type of graph you want to do, you're going to select the appropriate graph. So likewise, to perform a certain calculation, you're going to go to Stat. And then there are different options for doing the various calculations that we're going to do in this class. Thank you for watching, and good luck.